talk about how to use and maintain a chainsaw. When it's time to add gas, when you're sawing, try not to run the chainsaw completely out of gas because it's going to be more difficult to start. But when it is time to add gas, you add the gas mixture, and we also add bar and chain oil. The oil is just to lubricate the chain on the bar so that it runs cooler and smoother. So what we do, say we've just shut it off from running, we've got one area to add oil, another area to add gas. I always add my oil first. For the oil, as the gas, we take it off, and then we add the oil to that. And we just add some oil like this. Okay, it's right up near the top now. So once that's all filled up, we close it, screw the cap back on, and we move to adding the gasoline. And the gasoline is here. If you're not sure which is which, check your owner's manual. That will tell you which is which. The oil is always up near the chain though, and the gas is usually in back, depending on the model of saw you have. So then we can add gasoline to it. Okay, so that's all full. When I'm snug, you don't have to break them off, but get them good and snug. Once it's gassed up, we're ready to go again.